All right, what's up, YouTube? I'm over here at the property. I'm very excited today. Got good news. We do have our well. So you can see that they put it in right there. Yesterday, it's a little wet over here. It's like really bad because they ran a lot of water yesterday out of it. But yeah, guys, I'm excited because we finally have our well. You can see the trucks right here. They come in to get the trucks on Monday. So yeah, we got the well put in, guys. So what I do have for the well is we don't have a submersible yet. So what we're going to be using is just a above ground pump, a little small pump that they told me to buy, and it works for right now. It's only 79 cc's, and it's right here. It's a Predator 79 cc. It pumps 35 gallons per minute, which is, they said that's more than enough because we don't want to go too much because then we'll mess around and drain the whole well. But in the future, guys, what I said I wanted to do was we have another permit that's pending right now. Well, we're in the process of hopefully it goes through, but we're trying to get the other permit to be able to have electric to the well. And if we get electric to the well, then we'll have a submersible electric pump inside of there, and then we wouldn't have to worry about bringing this pump right here over here to the property whenever we come. And then I can put a timer on it as well. But plan B is if we don't get the permit for the electric well, then I'll do what my neighbor does down the street, and I would just get the what do you call that pump, the solar pump from RPS, where you can still put a timer onto it and it just runs off the sun, and you can put batteries to it. So either way it go. But yeah, guys, I'm very excited that we have water now. So today's gonna be the first day using it. So I never used this water pump before. So but yeah, so the plan today is I'm going to dig some holes today, and I'm going to put down some more calusia plants along the fence up there in the front, all the way across. I'm going to do all of it across the front up there, and then I'm going to water, and that's about it today. I might put some aloe plants in there, but it's like really bad in here. I mean, the sun's coming out now, so this stuff can dry up, but it's like, you can tell it's like wet mud like clay looking. So but yeah, all right, guys, so I'll show you what I brought over here today to do. I have 30 calusia plants in my truck right now that I need to take out of here. I got the auger, I got two 100-foot hoses, I have my my berry tree, my cherry tree, which is the Barbados cherry. I've had that tree for a while, so I got that tree. I stopped and got 4 bags of mulch on the way over here. Got my lunch, of course, my auger, and I got a mulberry tree that's in there as well. And let's see what else. Ooh. Yep, so here is the mulch right here. I got 4 more bags of that, and I got 10 more bags of garden soil from the house that I brought. And I still got, like, I think maybe another 10 more to bring over here, but slowly but surely I'm getting everything over here little by little. So, and then I got the gas, and I have the pump, the water pump, and I got the accessories that I needed that they told me I had to get to put in there, the spigot and all that to put on this water pump. So I'm excited, guys. So all right, let me go ahead and unload this truck, and I got the 2 20-foot hoses that's going to go down that well. So I'm excited to see how this is going to work. So all right, guys, I'm already on the second side over here. I did about 10 already so far. I'll show you what they look like. I haven't put them in the ground yet. I just dug the holes and I put 4 plants in. So I still have to do the still got to do the mulch for these. And I have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was doing like 10 at a time because it's hard. Some of that clay is still rough. Even with this auger, it's still having a hard time going through. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish these up. First, I'm gonna go ahead and get me something to drink. Go over here and get me something to drink first, and then take me a quick break, and then I'll come back and start. I know you guys don't want to see me digging holes and stuff, so I'll just show you when I'm finished. Yeah. All right, guys. It is blazing. I just finished putting all those trees in the ground, and now I'm done. So I did put the mulch in, so this is the first side that I did earlier, and this is the final side over here. I'm gonna clean up all this mess real fast. Start picking up all these bottles, these plant pots that I had. But you can see I put the collusion plants in. It has the mulch down too. I'm gonna go ahead and use my that skidger that I told you guys I bought, and I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up all these little weeds right here to finish all this off. Then I'll put all this stuff in the truck, and then it's time to water. All right, guys. So I got the pump hooked up. So here we go. I got 40 feet, two 20-foot hoses. That green one right there that goes down the well. So I had to connect 2 of them. He told me to connect 2 of them to put it down the well. So that's 40 feet. It's still about 5.5 feet maybe sticking out that I didn't put down in there. I already put gas in the machine, and I already put the oil in the machine. I got the choke. They said that when you first start off, you want to make sure it's on real low. So I got it on turtle just a little bit. You don't want to put too much on it. When you first start off, they said for like at least the first 5 hours or so. I think that's what it said in the manual. And I already got oil in it. I got my water right here for the prime, and I'm gonna put the water right there in that little spot right here. Take that little piece off, put it in there. They gave me all of this right here, the spigot, so I got that on there. I got the hose. I don't know if you can see that, but I got the hose going all the way down there. It goes all the way to the end of the property. It's just barely not reaching the avocado, but it's okay. I can just spray it. It's okay as long as I give it some water. And again, this is only 79 cc, guys. It's 35 gallons per minute. So I'm gonna put the prime in there right now. And let me see what else I didn't do. I put the fuel stabilizer in there as well. So only had 1 gallon gas anyway, so it says the mix the stabilizer. 1 ounce is for 2.5 gallons. I only put 1 gallon. It's only got 1 gallon of gas. I only put half an ounce. So yeah, this is the lid for the well. So I'll make sure I put that back in there. And I'm about to start, guys. I'm about to start it up. All right, so the moment of truth, it's running. Got it on low, put the prime in there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go over here and wait for the water to come out. He said it's gonna take a few minutes before the water gets over there anyway. So I have time to get over there. Can't wait for all this to dry up. Putting over there. Oh, you can hear it. Yeah, he said it's gonna putt when the water's coming up. So let's go on over here and see what happens. All right, guys, I had a problem. I couldn't get this thing started for nothing. And then my neighbor came over here. He was going by, and he's a cowboy. He came over here to help me, and we figured it out. Well, he figured it out, because I couldn't get the water to suck through that pump for nothing. But as you can see now, guys, it's good. We got water. So I'm just watering my banana trees right now, and then I'm gonna move on over. I still got, I didn't get the avocado trees yet. I was excited, so he came over here to talk to me too. So we was over here just talking. So he was just giving me a heads up on how to get it to start next time, even though it doesn't say that in the manual what he said to do. But he's experienced, and so I'll take his advice on what he told me to do. So yeah, this is the best watering these trees have ever gotten. So I'm loving it. I am loving it, guys. We got water. And you guys know, some of you homesteaders know, if you don't have water, it's terrible. Water is everything. I can use my generator for AC and everything else, but if you don't have water, it's bad. So all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep watering these plants, these trees. All right, guys, so over here you can see I'm watering the avocado trees. I'm giving them a lot of water. I have no idea how these leaves are that green with just me watering the way I've been watering. And now, like I said, now they're getting a real good bath now with this water. So, and this hose is just not long enough for me to reach this. This is a 200-foot hose. It's 2 of them that's 100 feet each, and it's barely reaching. So I'm shooting it over there. It's like this one over here. I'm gonna have to shoot it over here for this one, because I don't have the hose that's long enough yet. I have to get another, I'll probably get another 50-foot hose. That way I can reach the whole property from all sides. So, but yeah, I'm giving them a lot of water right now. All right, guys, so I watered all the avocado trees, banana trees over there. So now I'm over here with the berry trees. Next week, I'll probably try to start doing or working on this structure for this for these berry trees, because this week I was really focused on this water, getting this well, and trying to be able to work it. So, and I'm loving it right now, guys. I'm watering everything, and I'm giving it a real good wash, a real good watering, a real good soaking. I mean, I'm giving it a real good soaking. And these are the blueberries right here. You can see the blueberries on those right there. Those are actually ready to eat. Looks like 3 or 4 of them on there ready to eat right now. So. All right, guys. So I got the palm trees already watered, and you can see that the plants, they look pretty good over here too. I watered them already. So now I'm gonna go ahead and head over here to the front and get some of these banana trees over here. And I mean, I would like to get the garden beds too, just to give them a little bit of water. But I need to get these bananas first. Get these bananas. These are the bananas that's in front that I planted last week. All right, y'all. So I finished the Kalusia plants. I mean the Kalusia plants up there by the front gate. So now I'm over here just watering the ones that I still have over here in the shade house and the aloe plants, and then I'm going to get out. I actually had a full tank of gas, and this thing drank a whole tank of gas. I've been watering for like maybe an hour, maybe an hour and a half now. And yeah, it drunk the whole tank. So I ran out of gas. I had to put more gas in there. So at least I know for next time. So, and I'm moving pretty slow too. I mean, we got a lot out here to water. So let me get these aloe plants, guys, and then I'm gonna head on out. All right, guys, today was a dirty day. I got super dirty today, like really dirty. But you know, it's the first time, you know, using this well. We got it to work. We're happy. So now only good things can happen from here. So guys, I want to thank you guys for watching, tuning in, and if you have not liked and subscribed, please do. I appreciate it, and you guys have a safe week, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.